Jasper AI is a tool that's been making waves among content creators. But does it live up to the hype? Today, we're diving into its features, strengths, and weaknesses, so you can decide if it's the right fit for your writing needs. Jasper AI is primarily designed to help users generate written content quickly and efficiently. It leverages advanced artificial intelligence to assist with everything from blog posts and marketing copy to social media content. The user interface is quite intuitive, which makes it accessible even for those who might not be tech savvy. You can choose from various templates tailored for specific writing tasks, which can save a lot of time. However, while the core functionality is impressive, some aspects feel a bit lacking. For instance, the depth of customization options could be better. You can guide Jasper with prompts, but the output can sometimes miss the mark in terms of tone or style. Additionally, there's a learning curve to fully harness its capabilities, especially for new users. Overall, it's a solid tool for content creators, but it might not be perfect for everyone. On the positive side, Jasper AI can significantly speed up the writing process, which is a huge plus for busy creators. The variety of templates is a standout feature, catering to different writing needs. However, there are some frustrations to consider. The pricing can be a bit steep, particularly for those just starting out or on a budget. Plus, the AI sometimes struggles with nuanced topics, which could lead to inaccuracies in content. Another concern is the lack of transparency regarding how the tool generates its content. While it's effective, some users may feel uneasy about relying on AI for nuanced or sensitive topics. Overall, Jasper AI might suit those who need to produce a lot of content quickly, but those looking for deep customization or precise control may want to explore other options. In conclusion, Jasper AI is a powerful writing assistant that can be a game changer for high-volume content creators. However, it may not be the best fit for everyone, especially if you prefer a more hands-on approach to writing. If you're curious, it might be worth trying out, but do keep your expectations in check.